Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, this is another special video tutorial. It's video for related to LinkedIn scrapping, and in this video I will scrap down jobs from LinkedIn. And here is I have created this scrapper, and this is my account details. I have entered, it contains the username and the password. And the second thing is already the data I have scrapped. So basically check this out. This is the data that I have already scrapped down, and this is a big huge file. So the thing I will do this. I will extract new data, and here are the requirement.txt file. It contains all the required packages and the libraries I need to insert in the file, because required playwright, pandas, openpyexile, pillow, pyartogui, beautiful soap, and opencv python. And here is the file, so main file. So I will run this through my Visual Studio Code Editor. Fantastic code editor, run on the Python 3.12.3 64-bit operating system, Windows 10 my version. So let's get started. And here is it, the job I want to search. I want to scrap down, for example, I want to search for the Python developer, and the location I want, for example, I am from Pakistan and I want to set this Pakistan. And how many pages I want to scrap. For this video demonstration purpose, I said I want to scrap 3 pages. You can do 10, you can do 15, whatever you want. The maximum is not more than 40. So just for the demonstration purpose, I said I want 2 or 3 pages. So I said I want to scrap 3 pages. Okay, so here is it. Now the automatically LinkedIn was open. It's simply sign in. Sign in, and then it click on jobs, and that it select for Python developer, and then select Pakistan. By default this is a location select. This location was selected, but I am from Pakistan. And now you can see it will automatically start scraping the data without using any sort of APIs, any type of request libraries, proxies. So here is it. Move to next page. And then move to next page. So check this out. Okay. Now you can see it start scraping jobs. Remember one thing, this whole idea was highly dependent onto your internet screen, and make sure that you have a fast internet. If you have a slow internet, then you will face this, because we have a lot of issues of internet in Pakistan right now. So make sure you have a fast internet connection and good internet, stable internet connection. I always recommend you to check your internet speed perfectly. Otherwise this software will not work perfectly. So let me mute my voice. Let me relax for some seconds, and I will never skip any part of the video to just ensure you that this scraper was working. It was a fine working. It's maybe it can scrap the data in 2 to 3 minutes. This is the file I finally obtained because once the data was scraped perfectly, and it takes a lot of a long time. So here is it. This is basically the job title, skills required, description, and all the jobs for Python developers related to Pakistan, and it's big Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi, Rawalpindi, the various areas, Mirpur, Azad Kashmir from Pakistan. So there are basically 47 rows because there are two pages, and each page contain around 25 rows of the data. So here is the thing I was facing right now, and now this is the whole data picture, and let me show you that once again it was using the playwright library. I was creating this scraper. It automatically log into your LinkedIn account. So this is the whole video tutorial related to this. I've never skipped the part of the scraping, just to show you that from start to end, from data scraping for automatic storage. So if you think that this application was helpful for you, you